Hi, this is Elizabeth with WTI, and you are in need of a balloon arch for your next party.
This is the white, gold, and black latex garland arch. It's 120 pieces and it comes with so many awesome things. You have the small, medium, and large balloons, and once they blow up, they look absolutely great. And it even has the confetti balloons as well. There's just a couple, so I like to lay them out just so I can know how many there are after I start blowing it up. It also has the strip, which is how you connect all the balloons together, and that way you can mix and match if you want all the big ones or small ones together, or however you want to space it out. The balloon strip is pretty easy to use, and these little glue dots is what I will call them. It helps later once you put the arch completely together. You might have some extra balloons left over, and then you can use these dots to fill in the holes. The strip is 16 feet long, and it gives you so much space. It is gigantic. Look how big this thing is. It gives you optimal room of however you want to make the shape. If you want to go in a circle, I decided to make it into an arch. I was able to put this balloon arch all together by myself, just one person. I did have the assistance of an air balloon pump, so that way it made the work a little bit easier. I put this together the night before my event, and as you can see, the morning before the party, the balloons looked super awesome.
If you're looking for a fun way to upgrade your next party, check out this balloon arch. It's a ton of fun, it's super pretty, and you're gonna be happy with it, and that's my point of view.